Welcome to Animo Retail. In this video, we will show you how to create a foreign currency purchase. So when I am saying foreign currency purchase, that means I am talking about purchasing goods from the supplier who is situated out of your business country. We are going to give you an example, this database, the demo database is based in India itself. So we are going to make a purchase entry where the vendor is from US, and we are going to make a purchase in India, right? So to do that, let's go to purchase order interface first and click on the new purchase order, select the supplier. So I have created a supplier called USD vendor. Okay, now when I have selected the USD vendor supplier, you can see one exchange rate option has came up on the interface. Like this is one United States dollar is one Indian rupee it is showing, and next to that it is showing a pencil button. Okay, so on pencil button, if you will click, you will be having an option of exchange rate modification. So you can enter what is the exchange rate of today. I mean, whenever you are making a purchase at that point of time. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll scan the items. Let's scan two items here. So I have scanned two items here, right? Okay, make 100 pieces of it, 100 pieces of this, and okay. So now you can see this 0.92 is USD cost price of the item. That means we are going to make the purchase in $0.92, right? And that $0.92 is equivalent to 78 rupees in India, right? 78.20. So it has been automatically calculated by the multiplying the exchange rate into the dollar rate. Okay. Now you can see the other informations as well. You can also enter the import duty and packaging or other charges option. So let's have import duty here, right? So 2000 import duty we have added. Okay. One thing I shall explain it here. See, you can enter the foreign currency cost price in the rate option, but all the other information like it is the retail sale price or MRP or discount or any other charges, that you have to enter only in the base currency of your organization, which is like in this case it is India. So in Indian currency we have to enter everything, right? Whereas this we can enter in dollar. Okay, now so let's see the calculation. Let's have a calculation overview. So total was subtotal was 1513.85 in Indian currency. Obviously, upon that 2000 duty has been applied. Okay, so it became 17385. In dollar, if I check that value, it is 181. Okay, and that you can see how it is 181. 0.92 multiplied by 100, 0.89 multiplied by 100. If you sum up it, it will be 181 only, because we are not going to pay this import duty to the supplier, right? This will be paid to the government of your business organization, right? So payable amount is 181 only. Similarly, you can see the net amount is 17385, but the payable amount to supplier is in Indian currency as well, 15385 only. Because this 2000 we are going to pay to the government of India, not to the supplier, right? Save it. So that is it. The purchase order is created with this foreign currency vendor, right? So this is how we can make a foreign currency purchase. And if you want to print it, you can print this. So we have created a party currency format as well, where we are showing the dollar rate, we are showing the Indian rate, and the amount, right? See, you can see the in amount in dollar amount was 181. Also, you can see on the bottom all the calculations like what was the amount in dollar, what was the Indian currency amount, what is the discount we have applied, what is the tax and duty. So, okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. In next video, we will show you how to create, how to